Hi, this is third lesson in data analysis with Python. We will calculate the average cost of items. We are calculating the average cost of items because the seller sold them to different customers at varying price. In the first line, the data frame is grouped by the product column to select each unique product, and the average cost of all the units sold is calculated. After that, the reset index keyword is resetting both the product and cost column names. In the next line, both the columns are renamed for clarity. Finally, the data frame is converted to a string and printed on the screen without displaying the index. Here, the average unit cost of the items is printed on the screen. Next, we have to plot the graph. Here is the graph. Let's see. The first two libraries, pandas as PD and matplotlib.pyplot as plt, are imported. Where panda is used for data manipulation, matplotlib is used for creating charts and graphs. Here we have discussed these lines earlier, so we shall start with plot.figure line. This line creates a plot with width of 6 inches and height of 4 inches. Next, this line draws a bar chart with item on the x-axis and average unit price on the y-axis. The chart is stored in a bar variable, so we can later label each bar. In the next section, you can see that a loop iterates over each bar. The get height retrieves the height of the bar. The next bar dot get x plus bar dot get width divided by 2 calculates the x coordinate to place the label at the horizontal center of the bar. Height plus 0.5 places the label slightly above the bar here. And this line formats the height value to 2 decimal point here. You can see. Next, the parameters h is center and va bottom. Align the text horizontally centered and vertically bottom aligned. Next, plt.title gives title to the chart. plt.xlabel labels the x-axis as items, and plt.ylabel labels the unit price as y-axis. plt.xticks rotates the x-axis label by 45 degrees to make them more readable. Finally, plt.tightLayout automatically adjusts the layout to prevent overlapping of labels. Finally, plt.show plot the graph on the screen. Here is the graph. This is the method to plot the graph and calculate the average unit cost of the items. Thank you.